Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add Roman numerals and numbers to your Google Docs, and I will show you this as page numbers. So this is how you can do this. Alright, first of all, we want to give our page number. So what we need to do now is select this, go to insert and then go to page numbers and select the type of page numbers that you want. Then from here we click on options and then we do page numbers and then do start at 1 right here, and then select this, go to insert, go to special characters, go to symbol and click on number, go to decimal and go to order, and then right now click here on the Roman number 1 like this. Then please place your cursor right here, go to insert, go to break and click on section break continuous. Then we go to the second one, and right here if you can see, and we double click here, we need to click on link to previous, and then right now we can go to insert, go to special characters, and then we click here on 2, click on the cross, double click here, and then again do insert and do break, and then section break continuous. Now you can do this for every page if you want to, but yeah, it's a lot of work, but this is how you can give your pages Roman numerals. So this is the best way how you can do this. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.